Hello and good morning, students. As you know that we have started lesson number 9, our skeletal system, in the previous week, and let us continue and let us see that what are the different features of our skeletal system. We discussed that the skeletal system of the human body is important because it gives us the shape and the strength, and it protects the internal organs, and it gives us the movement which is required. So let us now discuss that what are the function of the skeleton. Now the function of the skeleton is they give shape, strength and support to our body. The bones, as you know, an adult has 206 bones excuse me, and these bones help us to give shape to our body. It gives the strength because there are muscles which are attached to those bones which give us strength, and it gives us support to our body. Support means this backbone, you know, we discussed about the backbone, it supports our body. So that's why we stand erect compared to other animals, okay, because we have this backbone and that spinal cord is very important, okay. Then the next point is they protect our internal organs. Yes, we discussed, we had a detailed discussion that how the different organs of our body which are very delicate, they are protected by these bones, like brain, which is a very important thing and it's very soft and delicate. It is protected by the skull bone. And then we discussed that the heart and the lungs are enclosed in the rib cage, okay. And then your other organs like kidney is in your hip girdle, okay. So all these things, your lungs, your heart, your brain, your kidney and your backbone, it means your spinal cord is protected by those bones, isn't it? So these internal organs which are very important and very soft and delicate are protected by these skeleton, okay. Coming to the next point is the muscles attached to bones make movement possible. The muscles which are attached to the bones, they are helping the movement, okay. Just I'll show you the muscles. Have a look. You can see the muscles. These muscles, it means they help in movement of our body. We bend, we move, we stretch. So all these things are only possible because we have muscles which are attached to all the bones. Okay, so movement is possible. We discussed about the shoulder girdle and the hip girdle shoulder. That's why we can move our the shoulders. Even your skull, the bone is attached to your backbone, so we can, you know, these things we can move. So all these is possible because we have the muscles which are attached to the bones. Then the next point is that white cells and red blood cells are produced by the bone marrow. I had already shown you what is bone marrow, children. You remember that bone marrow I showed you? It's a hollow bone where there is some soft fatty material which is called bone marrow. Now bone marrow is very important because they produce two important cells, that is white blood cell and red blood cell. Now children, remember why red blood cell, the function of red blood cell is to transport oxygen to your body. As you know that blood circulation is done, blood is circulated, blood is pumped, and that oxygen is carried throughout the body, and that's why we need oxygen to breathe in. And then the white blood cells, its function is to fight against the diseases. Okay, that gives you the immunity, infection. So the function of white blood cell is to fight against the infection or against the diseases. So that's why these two are very important. These two cells are produced in this bone marrow. Okay, so these are the very important functions of our skeletal system. That skeleton gives us the shape, and it gives the support, and it protects the internal organs. It gives the muscles and the bones help us the movement, and the white blood cells and red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. So this is all about the function of the skeleton.